Hello, today we are solving Jan 2025 paper, Unit 2, question number 6, Part B. Evaluate the role of auditor in the corporate governance of a limited company such as Seagull PLC. So that is the evaluate question. So auditor, okay, is a person, he's an independent person or he could be a business appointed and authorized to examine the accounts and the financing records of any PLC, okay, and he will state the result of an audit. Okay, they can come and audit a PLC such as Seagull, and they will prepare and produce a report for that. So this auditor is an accounting person, okay, or he could be a part of a business. So he will state the accounts given are true and fair by the Seagull PLC. He will also pass on comment on the corporate governance of a company such as PLC. So corporate governance refers to the framework or the rules and practices which are set by the board of directors of the companies of PLC. Okay, so this is set up to ensure there is an accountability, fairness, and transparency in the company's relationship with all the stakeholders. Even the employees are stakeholders, financiers, customers, management, government, and the community. These all are part of stakeholders so that there is a good benefit, okay, and accountability and fairness by the company towards the stakeholders. So this is going to be checked by these auditors and they will pass on the comment. Then they should also report on the corporate governance of a company such as Seagull PLC by providing a feedback to the board of directors and in the audit report. Okay, they will comment about everybody and they will provide an audit report. So they can comment on certain areas such as leadership. Okay, they will say Seagull PLC should be led by an effective board who are responsible for the success of the company. They could also comment on the effectiveness, okay, or the balance of skills, experience, independence, or knowledge to carry out the duties effectively. And they can comment on the accountability, such as the balanced and understandable assessment of the Seagull's financial position and the future prospects. They could also pass on the comment on the remuneration, okay, which is given to the employees and other people, okay, to retain and motivate the directors of the required quality. Okay, what is the level of remuneration they are offering and is it fair, okay, enough. And also they can comment on the relationship with the shareholders. So they will ensure that the board is responsible for ensuring a satisfactory dialogue with the shareholders takes place, okay, to understand the objectives of the company. So but we can see that, okay, what is the points against an auditor. Okay, auditor, he is a person, it is very difficult to practice, okay, this one by the auditor, because he is also going to he is going to get a source of income from the same PLC for whom he is going to produce an audit report. Obviously for him it is very difficult to put on certain comment and he might be reluctant to criticize the company's corporate governance, okay, because he's going to receive a source of income. So it is very difficult for him to comment against the board of directors and the practices they are following. So it is better to use different auditors, okay, for different audit works, okay, through a management consultancy. They could also use a government funded body that can oversee such corporate governance of the companies. Okay, this could help in providing a true and a fair view by the auditors. In conclusion, the role of auditor is good enough, okay, in the corporate governance. It is appropriate and usually beneficial to all the companies such as Seagull PLC, so that they are accountable